Hello, this is George. Welcome back to George Basics, and in today's video I want to teach you how to buy LooksRare token on Gate.io, and I will show you step by step how to buy it on Gate.io. It's very simple and everyone can do it. So watch my video until the end. Don't forget to click the like button, and the most important thing, I want to remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is just video tutorial of how to buy this token, and you should remember that crypto is highly unregulated and there are some risks of losing your money. So before you decide to put your money into crypto, please do your own research and be careful. And now we can begin our short video tutorial. So first of all, we need to do is, if you don't have Gate.io account, you can click the sign up link in the description of this video and you can make account on Gate.io. If you have account on Gate.io, you can log into your account and then you need to buy USDT on Gate.io, because to buy LooksRare token you need to have USDT on your account. So you need to swap your USDT to it. So first of all, go to buy crypto, click one of these options. My favorite one is credit card. Go to credit card. Here in the second gap you should choose USDT. Here you should choose the amount of money you are gonna pay to buy USDT. Minimum amount is 30 USD. So choose the amount, and here you should choose one of the service providers. My favorite one is Banxa because they have lower fees. You are paying 30 USD and you will receive 28.28 USDT. The fees are about 60 cents. So fees are very low. You are buying LooksRare token with very low fees on Gate.io. That's why I'm using this exchange. So because they don't have some gas fees like Uniswap and they have very low fees. So you can go to purchase. If everything is correct, click create order, fill all of the gaps and finalize the payment. So after you will finalize your payment, then you can check your USDT balance on Gate.io. Go to wallet and go to spot account, and here you will see your USDT balance. Now to buy LooksRare token, we need to go to trade, click spot trading, type Looks in the search bar. Here you will see Looks USDT. Open this. You should choose the amount of USDT you're gonna pay to buy LooksRare token. For example, I will pay 6 USDT. For this amount of USDT, I will buy 1.65 LooksRare token. So click buy and confirm your order. Here you should type your funds pass. So we placed an order and we bought LooksRare token on Gate.io. And now we can check our wallet and let's see the LooksRare token we bought a few seconds ago. Go to wallet and click spot account. And here you will see your LooksRare balance on Gate.io. So that's very simple. We bought a LooksRare token with very low fees, without gas fees, and that's great. So Gate.io is one of the best exchanger in the world. You can go to CoinMarketCap, and when you go to exchanges, Gate.io is on 7th position in the world. And I suggest you to continue trading on Gate.io because they have a very simple platform. Every beginner can use this platform. Also, their fees are very low and their security system is perfect. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking like button. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.